Hello everyone, Chinese Grammar 5 Stars. This is 中文通学笔记 Video Note of Sentence Structure 1 Main Frame 主要成分 We come to know that Chinese grammar is composed of 5 stars, such as parts of speech, 句类 sentence structure, 句构 kinds of sentence, 句类 types of sentence, 句型 variations and 变形 etc. and compressed into this grammar address. Right? And have got this sentence map, 基础. Up to the previous video, we had an overview of the first star, parts of speech. Right? Sure. Some 15 parts of speech, supposedly a little boring, but essential for understanding the entire picture, even fundamental in the grammar study. Where are we now then? Yes, on the second star. Sentence structure, 句构. How a sentence is composed of components, along with the role of them to convey exact meaning of our speech. From now on, I'm going to use the original grammatical terms in explaining grammar. Thus let you become familiar with the terms, eventually being heard natural and comfortable when encountering these terms, far from being strange. In this sentence map, we use this section. Okay? This sample sentence. This one is like this. 明天很帅的小敏肯定会为了给婷婷买得起一块太贵的手表呢。A little cynical nuance, 但是 helps us to analyze the typical sentence. As of now, you may be familiar with the sentence structure diagram. So to speak, the main frame, primary component, 主要成分. 主要成分是 yes, subject, predicate, object. 主谓 谓语 宾语. This is the typical sentence structure. More complicated ones will be considered in the fourth star, 句型 types of sentence. First of all, we need to be accustomed to this structure. Some will say this is of 80% of Chinese sentences. In other words, when we freely use this type of sentences, we'll be able to communicate freely up to some 80%. So nice, right? Let us check an example. Yes, 小明买手表. Little meaning, 小明 buy a wristwatch. Only skeleton. Bones, that's a little strange, so dry, though we catch the meaning. Is it not? Let's see more sentences. Yes, 主谓宾, 小明买手表. You may make these sentences, though not complete in the meaning. Take a look. I don't know what to translate these sentences, though having a little doubt, which is better for you, whether to translate or not. Let's see some of them. 爸爸爱妈妈，妈妈抱姐姐，姐姐去找饭，哥哥穿西衣，妹妹戴口罩，弟弟羡慕哥哥。 奶奶等爷爷，爷爷锻炼身体，丈夫放弃工作，妻子担心经济，儿子继续买卖，女儿安慰妈妈，朋友介绍好人。Right? You may feel a little accustomed to, don't you? Let us make sure of the roles of these three components. 主谓 subject of an action, also object of explanation, right? This is quite strange to English-speaking people, right? Object comes at the place of subject. Anyway, right, this is the Chinese grammar. Further, the subject can be usually omitted in the sentence of natural phenomena, in ordering, just like in English, and praying, etc. Later you will see all these parts of speech can be a subject, transferable without transformation, quite different from English, where only noun, pronoun, or the equivalent of these can be used as subject. Next, wavy, addressing the subject's action or condition. Usually, verb or adjective can be a predicate in English, also in Chinese. But in Chinese, even noun, pronoun, or other part of speech can be a predicate. This is a little awkward, again, to those who speak English. Familiar with English grammar, is it not? And also, a sentence can be the predicate in a kind of complex sentence, like in English as well. And next, the binbi, object of an action, or a place, result, etc. As we go on, we will find some sentences have two objects, same as in English. An adverb has dual roles of both the object of the preceding verb as well as the subject of the following verb. This will be handled when we learn the 句型 types of sentence detail. Right? Yeah. So as we see here, although that can be used as the subject and later can be used as the object, usually 名词 or 代词, like in English, will be the subject. But with the wavy, quite strangely. Already mentioned, usually 动词 or 形容词 can be used as wavy. However, other parts of speech like this can be used. And Billy, same as the 主语, 名词 or 代词 usually. But all the other parts can be a Billy. But if this is said to be the skeleton, there should be ligaments, fleshes, also skins, or some others as well, right? Be anticipating. This is Chinese Grammar 5 Stars. 中文同学笔记，再见。